One of the most popular features of layout is the ability for you to be able to create really good looking PDF presentations from directly within layout immediately after you finish your designs. And today we've taken that a step further with giving you the ability to really quickly add your AI renders as well. So all you do is you go up to export, PDF, and in a very similar way to what you could already do, we can start to create our pack here. So for instance, let's go to our first page. I'm going to leave the layout branding here as well as the description, but you can add your own branding and change all of this as needed. Let's also add a nice image for the cover. Something like that, for instance, will work quite nicely. Let's go into our first page. And obviously we have one of our designs here. You could include a multitude of designs based on what you're trying to present to your stakeholders. We could also choose some statistics to add. For instance, maybe we want to add the costs onto one page, or maybe we want to have the CO2 or different zones. You can go and build out your presentation based on the kind of dialogue and story that you're trying to tell. And as I mentioned, you can now go in to create a new page, and there's now a new button called AI. You can press on that. For now, let's say maybe we want to include maybe 4 images on one page, so we can go into this, and then we can add from our library of the AI renders we've already created. So as you can see, these are some AI renders I've already made of this floor plan design. So I'm just going to select this reception, and then a couple of these interior views as well. Click apply. And there we go. I've added in my AI renders. I've now created a really quick, really good looking PDF pack, which I can then export straight away and be able to send on to my stakeholders. And we're soon going to be adding the same ability to shared links as well.